Hi YouTubers, Terry here. I wanted to show you a few things that I've gotten recently. I'm working on at least 2, maybe 3 Disney albums for family members that have gone to Disneyland. So I went on to JoAnns.com and when they had a good sale going and picked up some Disney themed stuff. I don't remember the cost of these. These are really cute bling embellishments. And then here's 8 bottle caps, which are really cute. And these are layered dimensional stickers. I just searched for Disney and this is what came up. These are some they just stickers. Turned out really cute. These are just a sec. Puppy stickers. You can kind of see there. Puppy. Really cute. These will look good in the albums. And then this is a Disney alphabet. So I got that. And these are some more puppy stickers. And then this is die-cut cardstock. It says there's 52 pieces. There it shows a lot of them. These aren't as bright and colorful as the others, but I think that they match a paper pack that I got. So I think they'll work fine. And then I got these bigger ones. I thought they'd look cute on album covers. And then this one, which is one sheet of stickers like for when you're on the rides. So I thought that was really cute. And then I got this paper pack, which is 12 by 12. It's made by EK Success and it's one-sided. And I'll just kind of flip through it. Looks like there's 2 of each page. I like these bright colors. There's that one. That one's cute. This just says Mickey and Friends on it. There's a cute one. And this has just little heads on it. Then there's some strips. And that one. So I picked up that. And then these must have been a really good price because I got 2 of these. These are 2-sided. This is Disney Specialty Paper. Let's see who makes it. It's EK Success also. So this is specialty paper. 12-inch, 12 by 12. I don't know how many sheets. 24 sheets, sorry. So I'll try and show you both sides. Really cute. Now this one is glossy, glittery. Looks like there's 2 of each in here. This one's just plain. This has got some cut apart strips. That's just dog bones. And then Goofy on that page. That's really cute. There's another Goofy one. That on the back. And then there's Daisy. 2 of those. And then this is Daisy again. So this has some of the different characters. This one's Donald. It's all Donald themed. There's Donald. And then this is going to be Mickey and Minnie. That one's Minnie. There's Mickey. And there's some glittered stars with the orange on the other side. So got those. Thought those are really cute. I have everything I need now. I just need to start working on it, the pages. I did a Amazon order and got these set of 12 for a really good price. They're made by Uli. I guess that's how you pronounce it. But what I like about them is they're gel pens, but they're super fine. And they're kind of short. They're shorter than a regular pen. Here's a regular American Crafts pen. So they're a little bit shorter. But they're just really cute, really nice, bright colors. And I kind of wrote them out here. And they do have, it's a 0.4 millimeter tip. And they have a really nice tip, and they wrote really good. So I'm glad I got those. And then I used to get monthly scrapbooking kits, and discontinued that a long time ago. And I used to be a member of a Stamp of the Month kit, but haven't done it for a couple of years, and I decided to give something else a try. I kind of miss card making, and I like scrapbooking, but I really kind of like to make pre-designed pages, if that makes sense. And so I tried a couple new things, and one of them is Scrapping for Less, and this is they have a monthly card making kit, and this is 1 month, and it comes with several sheets of cardstock. It's really nice heavy cardstock for making your cards. And then what I liked about this, it comes with 4 different companies stuff to make 8 different cards, at least 8 different cards. So here's an example. This is, looks like the Scrapping for Less brand. And so it's got this set of stamps, and this was all farmhouse themed. So it had the set of stamps and some little embellishments and some ribbon. And then it's got probably 4 pieces of paper and an envelope there. So that one's really cute. This one's an Avriel set. Can't really see it because of it. It's got a little packet of sequins. And then here's the stamp set. It's really cute. And then if you go on their website, they have ideas of what you can, of cards you can make. And then this one has some really cute stickers, and then again it's got 4 sheets of coordinating paper, so it's all coordinates. This is the Down on the Farm collection too, and again it's got the sequins are right in the way. Here's this stamp set. They're just small ones, but it's for card making, so you don't need huge stamps for that. And then it's got some little die cuts, and look at the darling paper. And it's got 4 of them. I'll show these when I make some cards. And then this is a Brutus Monroe stamp set, and sequins, and it's got some die cuts, and then it's got the paper. So I got that for card making. And then the last thing I want to show you is I did the same sort of thing. It's this monthly kit from the scrap room. And again, they do 4 different companies. Like this one has Bella Boulevard, Fancy Pants, Pink Paisley, and Simple Stories. And what this was really cool is from, I think, probably the owner, I got this beautiful homemade card and thanked me for joining. So it's a really pretty card. And so this one has less embellishments. This is a whole page of stickers though, and then it's got several, I think at least 4 pieces of paper. And this is the Simple Stories. And then the other set, it has some die cuts and some chipboard. And this was made by American Crafts. Oh, Pink Paisley. And it's got several pieces of paper there. I'm not going to show them all to you. And then this one is Poolside by Fancy Pants. So it's got this really darling paper, several papers, and then these puppy stickers. And then this one's Bella Boulevard. And this is all kind of masculine themed, which I think is really cute. And they say that there's enough in here to make 8, like a 2-page spread. But there's a lot of paper here and a lot of stuff here. So I think if you add your own solid color cardstock, that you can make more than 8 pages. And both of these were around $30. I can't remember exactly. So anyway, I just wanted to share those with you. I hope you're having a good week, and we're going into the weekend and looking forward to getting some crafting stuff done. And I've been working on some, I got the stamp set from Tetzelcraft. So I've been kind of coloring some little guys up, and now I just need to get some cards made. I thought these were really cute, so I've been working on coloring those to make some cards. Look at the lion. So anyway, that's all I wanted to share, and I'll be back soon with a project share. Thanks, bye.